Hey traders, welcome to 𝐒𝐷𝗲𝗲 Weekly Forex Forecast. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you our forecast for euro dollar, pound dollar, dollar yen, along with a lot of forex pairs. In addition to that, we will cover US oil, gold, silver, and Bitcoin. We will give you some forex trading tips which will help you with your trading. Now, due to many queries regarding our services, here we have summarized it all for you. So if you are interested, check the link in the description below. Keep watching until the end, we have a bonus tip for you. On this channel, we explain you our point of view regarding the next moves in the market. Those who are new to 𝐒𝐷𝗲𝗲's channel, our weekly market forecast is published every Saturday at 4 p.m. UK time to help you be on the right side of the trade. So click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and let's dive into the charts. Guys, it was an incredible week for our community. And we hope you had a great trading week too, as almost all the trades have gone in our direction. Now, regarding the XY, for this one, we said last week up and then another down wave. Market gave us this corrective structure and then it went back down very sharp and very fast. We broke this low and the market starts to go up again. So regarding the XY, this was the trade last week. We've got few emails that some of you took this sell and made decent money in this wave only. Now, what after this up wave? Regarding this one, we might still within a corrective structure. And if you remember, from here we said the XY will spend some time here within this sideways move. So, what next? We are expecting the XY to go down next week, corrective or impulsive. After this down wave, we will update you. But for now, after this down wave, we will look for our buy setups again. This down wave, guys, like I said, corrective or impulsive, we will look for our buy setups. Those who would like to scalp, this might be a good trade for you if you know how to trade those down waves. Breaking this low or not is not the key. After this down wave, we will look for our buy setups again. Alright guys, those who are already in the sell, move your stops and let market unfold. And those who took this sell here, this must have been a good trade for you, or at least small win. Those who are new to 𝐒𝐷𝗲𝗲's channel, we explained the bigger picture here for this one on our last weekly forecast. So subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and watch our previous video to see the bigger picture for the XY. Here is a tip for all of you. Do not jump from pair to pair and click the trade. Instead, focus on 1 or 3 pairs maximum and try to master them. This is very important. And keep watching till the end, I will give you more tips and advices. Euro dollar for this one, we've got this up wave, we've got a corrective structure here, and then we've got this up move. Those who get in this buy, you must have made decent profits in this up wave or break even. What after this down move? We are expecting euro dollar to move up next week, impulsive or corrective. So first of all, we are expecting an up wave and then another down move to break this low and this low. Alright guys, first of all an up move and then a down wave to follow. If you want to trade this up move, it's up to you. After this up wave, we will look for our sell setups one more time. Again, breaking this top or not is not the key. What we are looking for here is waves and structures. And just to give you guys one more hint here, the corrective structure might be ended here. So if we get a corrective structure here, we will go for the sell setups under this low and this low. Guys, as I mentioned in our last weekly forecast, we will be upgrading our Sunday session service very soon. So those who haven't subscribed to our Sunday session service as yet, you can find all the details on our website homepage. And more details about the upgrade will be explained on Sunday. Pound dollar for this one, market went up, it gave us this corrective structure, and it went back up. After this up wave, we start to get another down move. This corrective structure, it might extend to be a bigger one. Alright? So this is same as euro dollar. Next for pound dollar, we are expecting an up move before the next down wave. Remember, this up wave, we will not trade it. What we are focusing on is our sell setups. Some of us are already in the sell from here, some of us took this sell, and some of us took profits. So, next for pound dollar, we are expecting an up move and then a down wave. This up move, it's just to complete a bigger corrective structure and then a sell setup to follow. One more time, the corrective structure, it might be ended here. So if we get a correction from here, we will look for sell setups. Alright? Even though we are looking for one more push up, we will not take this buy. Those who are interested to take our March course, the deadline is 15th of April. So you still have few days to take this opportunity, because after 15th of April, we won't accept any payment. Remember, if you are making money from our videos or our Sunday sessions, you don't have to take the course. Aussie dollar for this one, if you remember, we said corrective structure and another up move. Also we said, if you get in this buy, you move your stops and do not take profits. Why? Because from here, market was showing us a possibility for correction and one more push up. So, market went up and then it went back down. So after this up wave, market went back down. What this means, if we get a corrective structure, another down wave. Next for Aussie dollar, an up move to be corrective or impulsive wave. After this up move, we will look for our sell setups one more time. Remember guys, breaking this top or not doesn't matter. After this up wave, we will look for our sell setups one more time. And this is why guys, it's very important to follow us on a weekly basis. As you can see, market went up and then it went back down to the same level in 1 week. So those who are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe in order to get a notification every time we publish a video or any post. Dollar yen for this one, market is moving in a sideways move and we are at the same level. What next? We'll be looking for one more push up and then another down wave. If you are not in the buy from here or from here, leave it and focus on other pairs. At the moment, we are in an uptrend for dollar yen, and market might be giving us here a big corrective structure before the next up wave. So, next for dollar yen, one more push up that we will not trade, and then after this up wave, we might go for the sell setups. This will be a part of a bigger corrective structure that we are waiting for. So we might trade this down wave, and then after that, we will update you. If this is not your pair, leave it and focus on other pairs. And just to let you know guys, every Sunday we are posting charts on TradingView. And as example, this was US30. T explained this in detail on Sunday session. And market went up and then it starts to go down. Look at this. We've got this up wave and market starts to go down. S&P 500, also for this one, we said one more push up. And as you can see, market went up. After this up wave, we've got this sharp down move. All those indices guys are covered in detail on Sunday session. So like I said, those who are not members of our Sunday sessions, you don't want to miss more than 2 hours live every Sunday. New Zealand dollar for this one, market went up, it gave us this corrective structure, it went back up. This one is similar as Aussie dollar and Euro dollar. What we are expecting next for this one, we are expecting an up wave here, corrective or impulsive. Why corrective or impulsive? If this will be a corrective structure for the next trend, market will not break this top. But even if this will go up to break this top, we will look for sell setups again, because market will be giving us a bigger corrective structure. Those who took our March course, now you can see everything clear in front of you. And now you know why we are expecting all those waves. Alright? Pound yen for this one, market gave us a corrective structure, it went back up and now we are going down. Those who are selling, move your stops and let market unfold. If we get a corrective structure here, another drop, another correction, another drop. Most of retail traders are out above this top. So here guys, we might be starting another trend. If we get a correction here, one more push down, another correction, another push down. So those who are selling, move your stops and let market unfold. All of you are following us, you know that I showed you the big picture for DXY last time, and in our previous videos I showed you the big picture for pound dollar, and last week I explained you why we are expecting pound yen to make this down move, right? So try guys to rewatch the videos, take notes, and try to understand the waves and market structure. And those who want to learn from us how we are doing this and learn how to trade correctly, you still have a chance to join our March course. Yes, all for this one, market's giving us a big corrective structure, and this might be only the start of it. What I mean by that, next for this one, corrective structure, another down wave. Those who were in the buy and still holding, after this corrective structure, you have to take profits. Because like I said, this might be the start of the big corrective structure before we go up again. Remember, we are not selling. We are waiting USOIL to give us a deeper corrective structure, and then we go for the next buy setup. Those who are trading and are selling, you take partial profits and you move the rest at break even. Alright guys, after this down wave, correction upwards, another down move. Another tip, you must use a good risk to reward ratio. Your minimum risk to reward should be 3-to-1, not less than that. Gold for this one, we hope all of you guys remember this forecast and made profits out of this upwave. If you remember this forecast, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. And also for this one, we have updated you everywhere: Instagram, Facebook, YouTube stories, and TradingView. So follow us on all our social media platforms, because time to time, we will post updates for all of you. So, what next for gold? For now, we can see it going up correctively for one more push down. For us, this is a corrective structure, and this corrective structure might be ended here or it will be ended here. In all the cases, after this up wave, we will look for our sell setups one more time. If this wave will go up to break this top, this will be even better for us. Alright guys, those who took this buy or took this buy, we hope that you made decent profits out of those trades. So next for gold, we are expecting a down wave. Before this down wave, market can crawl up to break this top and then another down move. In all the cases, we will look for sell setups next for gold. Is that clear for all of you? And those who made profits last week, let us know in the comment section. Wave analysis guys, and our concept is a combination of Elliott wave, Dow theory, trends, market structures, order blocks, and our findings. So we are combining all of these theories in one single powerful system. So if you are a serious trader, don't miss out this opportunity. Dollar CAD, for this one, market gave us a corrective structure and then it went back down. After this down wave, we've got this sharp up move. So those who are in the buy, move your stops and let market unfold. Some of our members are already in the buy from these levels. So if any one of you is in the buy also from here, you move your stops and let market takes you out if it wants to go down. Alright? This down wave is still a possibility. So if you are buying, move your stops to break even. If we get a corrective structure here, another up wave. At the moment, we are biased to the upside. Even though if market will push down to break this low, we will not sell. If this happens, we'll look for buy setups one more time. Alright guys? In all the cases, we will look for buy setups if market will give us a corrective structure or a push down to break this low one more time. This is a possibility, but we are not expecting this at the moment. What we are expecting is a corrective structure downwards, another up wave. Alright? Remember, this is the low of a big downtrend. This means anytime market can start to go up for a bigger corrective structure. Let me show you the bigger downtrend. This is the daily chart for dollar CAD. And as you can see here, this is 19th of March. And now we are also in March and in the second half of it. So almost for 1 year, this one was going down. And this was a big downtrend. Interesting, right? This is 19th of March 2020 and this is here 19th of March 2021. So if market will shift the trend here, we'll be getting up, correction, up. For what? For the start of a bigger corrective structure. Okay guys, so wave analysis is a combination of more than one theory, understanding market structure, understanding timing, and patterns. And the most important thing that you have to understand is that you are working with probabilities. Euro yen for this one, market went up, gave us a corrective structure, it went back up, and then we've got this down wave. If you remember this forecast, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. We hope all of you who trade Euro yen are in this sal. What next? We are expecting a corrective structure here, another down wave. And also, we said last week, we are expecting all yen pairs to make a down move. And this is the down move. The golden tip. Never ever add to a losing position. If it's a loss, take the loss and look for the next setup. CADCHF for this one, looks like market is giving us a corrective structure for another up wave. The way market is moving here, we do not like it. If this turns out to be a small corrective structure, market will push one more time to break this top and this top. So those who would like to scalp, this might be a good trade for you. Otherwise, leave it and focus on other pairs. Pound Oz for this one, you remember from here we sat down and market was going down correctively. After that, we've got up, we've got a down move, and now are going up again. So if anyone of you is in the sell and still holding, take profits. Why? We are here within a bigger, complex, corrective structure. What this means? After this down wave, we'll look for our buy setups again, and then another down wave, and then up. This is a bigger, complex, corrective structure. New Zealand CAD for this one, this was a great trade. And we said last week, take profits even though we knew that market will give us a corrective structure, and then another down wave. What next for this one? We are expecting market to give us a corrective structure upwards, and then another down move. So those who trade corrective structures, you can go for this move, trade with care, and always risk small. For us, we will wait market to give us a corrective structure upwards, and then we'll go for the next sell setup. And after you do your analysis, no matter what is the system that you are using, you will only have higher probability chance. Executing the trade in the direction of your bias needs knowledge, practice, and experience. Silver for this one, market is behaving as expected. We said from here market will give us a corrective structure upwards, market is moving up correctively. What next? We are expecting a down wave here and then another up move. This one guys might turn out to be a bigger up wave all the way to break this one and this one. If this one guys turns out to be the first wave of the next trend, market will go down to complete a corrective structure and another up wave. At the moment, this is investment. So you can wait market to go down for 20 or 19 levels, or else you can invest from here. For us, we are waiting market to go down. If market will shoot up from here, let it go without us. If you are an investor and you don't like to wait market to go down to 20, you can invest from here. It's up to you. Like I said, for us, we will wait 20 levels. Those who are trading silver, wait market to go down and then you go for the buy setup. Once you see market going up to break this top, you take profits or you move your stops to break even and let market unfold. One more tip. You can trade without stop loss only if you have a big account and you are trading very small lot size, or you can afford to lose your account. Those are the only two scenarios where you can trade without stop loss. Otherwise, you should always use stop loss while trading. Bitcoin for this one, we said last week market will go up to 60, and at 60 levels, you have to take partial profits. After that, market went back down 13%. Right? What next for this one? We are expecting market to give us a corrective structure, one more push down. So for Bitcoin guys, we are in an uptrend. After every corrective structure, you go for your buy setups. At the moment, we are expecting a corrective structure to go down and break this low before the next up move. Those who are buying, you don't have to worry. You keep moving your stops and let market takes you out if it needs to fall. We are not expecting this one to go all the way down at the moment. We have to see the price action, we have to see the waves, and we have to see the structure. More details on Sunday session. Guys, in Forex trading, you have to be realistic. And it's not about doubling your money in 1 week. It's about making money every month. So write a plan, put realistic goals, and work smart to achieve them no matter what. Like I said at the beginning, we are about to upgrade our Sunday session service soon. Stay tuned. With that note, I wish you a successful trading week. Thanks for watching. We hope that you learned something new. Subscribe, give us a thumbs up, this is very important. Leave a comment, stay safe, trade with care, and see all of you next week.